Let me ask you something honest. How many times have you ordered something off Amazon, convinced yourself it was going to change your life, and then found it sitting in a drawer 3 weeks later collecting dust next to that resistance band you used once? Yeah, me too. The problem isn't that Amazon gadgets are bad, it's that 90% of them are designed to look impressive in a thumbnail and disappoint you in real life. But here's the thing. I spent the last 3 months doing the painful, expensive, slightly obsessive work of filtering through all of it. And I found 10 gadgets that actually earn their place in your home. Not because they look cool, not because the reviews are pumped up, but because they genuinely make your daily life easier, smarter, and less annoying. And listen, stick around until number 1 because that pick surprised even me. And it might be the most underrated product on this entire list. 10 Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Plug Mini. We're starting with something that costs less than a large pizza, and I genuinely cannot believe more people don't own one of these. The Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Plug Mini is $8. $8. But what it does is kind of remarkable. It takes any ordinary dumb appliance in your house and turns it into a smart one. Your coffee maker? Now it brews itself before your alarm even fully goes off. Your bedside lamp? Set it to fade out at 10:30 every night so you're not hunting for the switch half asleep. Your space heater? Put it on a schedule so it's never running when you're not home. The plug connects directly to Wi-Fi, no hub, no extra equipment, and works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit right out of the box. Here's what makes this one special though. Unlike most smart plugs that are so chunky they block the second outlet entirely, the Kasa Mini is designed to share. Compact enough that you can plug 2 in side by side. You can also monitor how much power each device is pulling, which is genuinely useful for figuring out what's quietly draining your electricity bill every month. For $8, this is the easiest and cheapest upgrade in smart home technology that exists. Start here. You'll thank yourself later. Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced. Okay, the price jumps here, but so does the payoff. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced isn't just a prettier version of the dial on your wall. It's a system that actually learns how you live. Within the first week of using it, it starts to understand your schedule. When you wake up, when you leave for work, when you're heading back. It uses geofencing, which means the moment you leave your neighborhood, it eases off heating or cooling to save energy. And as you're driving home, it starts adjusting again so your house is exactly the temperature you want the second you walk through the door. The Eco Plus feature is the part most people overlook. It analyzes real-time energy pricing from your utility provider and adjusts usage during off-peak hours, which translates to up to 26% savings on your energy bill. I know that sounds like marketing language, but I've seen people's utility bills genuinely drop $40 to $60 a month after switching to this. Over the course of a year, it pays for itself. Installation takes less than an hour. The app walks you through every wire, every step. It also works with Alexa, Google, and Apple HomeKit. And there's a built-in room sensor, so it's reading the actual temperature where you spend the most time, not just where the thermostat happens to be mounted. Smart product. Real savings. Ecobee 5th Gen. If the Kasa plug is the entry point to smart home living, the Ecobee 5th generation is the glue that holds all of it together. And I want to be honest, previous Ecodots were fine, but the audio was weak enough that you'd never use it as a speaker. This generation actually fixed that. Deeper bass, cleaner mids, noticeably crisper voice responses, but the real upgrade is under the hood. This Ecobee has a built-in Zigbee smart home hub, which means it can connect directly to compatible smart lights, locks, plugs, and sensors without needing a separate bridge device. You say, "Alexa, good night," and the whole house listens. Lights dim, doors lock, thermostat drops to sleep mode, TV turns off, all of it with 2 words. What I love most is that it runs quietly in the background. It doesn't demand your attention. It just handles the routine, repetitive things so you don't have to think about them. Small sphere, big impact. HomePod Mini. Now, if you're living inside the Apple ecosystem, the Ecobee isn't your play. The HomePod Mini is. And let me tell you, Apple made something genuinely impressive here, especially for something this small. That S5 chip inside isn't just there to run Siri. It does real-time acoustic analysis of the room, the size of the space, how reflective the surfaces are, and adjusts the audio output accordingly. You put it in the kitchen and it sounds different than in the bedroom because it's literally tuning itself to the environment. For something smaller than a coffee mug, the sound quality is legitimately surprising. The other piece that makes this worth it for Apple users specifically is the seamless handoff. Walk in from outside with music playing on your iPhone, and it transfers to the HomePod Mini automatically. No tapping, no pairing, no lag. Pair two together, and you get real stereo imaging that outperforms most dedicated Bluetooth speakers under $200. And because it doubles as a HomeKit hub, all your smart home devices, lights, locks, thermostats, are tied together under one system, accessible even when you're away from home. It works without giving your voice commands to a remote server because basic processing happens on the device itself. Clean, private, reliable, very Apple. Hatch Restore 2. Here's where things get a little more personal because sleep is the one area where most of us are quietly failing and pretending we're fine. If you wake up every morning already feeling tired, already dreading the day, there's a solid chance your alarm is part of the problem. The Hatch Restore 2 works differently from any alarm clock I've ever used. Instead of blasting you out of deep sleep with a jarring noise, it starts brightening the room 30 minutes before your wake time. Gradually, like a slow sunrise, your body senses the light shift, begins naturally rising out of deep sleep on its own, and by the time the gentle sound actually kicks in, you're already close to awake. The result is that you actually feel rested when you open your eyes, which sounds simple until you experience the difference firsthand. At night, it works in reverse. Dim the lights through the app, layer in calming ambient sounds, rain, brown noise, soft piano, and let your nervous system actually wind down before bed. The display itself auto-dims to absolute zero when the room is dark, so it doesn't glow like a landing strip on your nightstand. $200 is not cheap, but if bad sleep is costing you focus, mood, and productivity every single day, this is one of the highest return investments on this list. GoveeLiFe Smart Kettle. I used to be a boil water in whatever pot kind of person, and then I started actually caring about coffee and tea, and I realized that temperature is everything. Too hot, and you scorch green tea and make it bitter. Not hot enough, and your pour-over tastes flat. The GoveeLiFe Smart Kettle solves this completely. It heats 1.7 liters of water fast. The 1,500-watt heating element is no joke, and it's precise to within a single degree. Set 80 degrees for green tea, 93 for pour-over coffee, 100 for French press. It hits the target every single time, holds it for up to 2 hours with the keep warm function, and shuts off automatically when it's done. The full glass body lets you watch the boil in real time, which is honestly more satisfying than it has any right to be. App control means you can start it from your bedroom before you've even gotten out from under the covers. Schedule it so there's already hot water waiting when you walk into the kitchen. Alexa and Google integration make it part of your morning automation routine without any extra effort. Once you've used a precision kettle, going back to a basic one feels like trying to cook a steak in a toaster. It just doesn't make sense anymore. Kasa Smart Outdoor Plug. Most smart home products stop at the front door. This one doesn't. The Kasa Smart Outdoor Plug takes the same Wi-Fi automation you've built inside and brings it out to your yard, patio, or garage. And it's built to handle whatever the weather throws at it. 2 independently controllable outlets, each rated for 15 amps, UL certified, and weather resistant. You can schedule your patio string lights to automatically turn on at sunset and off at midnight. Put your garden fountain on a timer so it's running when you're out there enjoying the evening, and off when you're asleep. Set an away mode that randomly cycles your outdoor lights while you're on vacation so the house looks occupied. What sets this apart from older outdoor plugs is the Matter support. Matter is the new universal smart home standard. It means this plug works natively with Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit without any compatibility headaches or secondary hubs. Future-proofed, simple to set up, and tough enough to leave outside year-round. For $20, the value here is almost unreasonably good. KeySmart AI Pro. Let me paint you a picture. It's 7:48 in the morning. You have somewhere to be at 8, and your keys have vanished. Not in your coat, not on the hook, not on the counter, just gone. You know this feeling. We all know this feeling. The KeySmart AI Pro exists specifically to end that. It's a machined metal key organizer that holds up to 14 keys in a compact, quiet folding system. No more jangly keychains sounding like a medieval jailer every time you move. But the real magic is what's built into it. Full integration with Apple's Find My network. If your keys disappear, you open your iPhone and make them ring, or you check the map for their last known location. And here's the part that genuinely impressed me. If your keys are somewhere you can't reach, any iPhone that passes near them automatically sends a location update to your phone, without the owner even knowing. That's the power of the Find My network, and it's baked right into this thing. It also has a built-in LED flashlight for finding dark keyholes at night, a replaceable 1-year battery, and a design that feels premium without being fragile. It's one of those products that seems unnecessary until you own it, and then you can't imagine going back. Easy outlet extender. Raise your hand if you've ever gotten on your hands and knees, moved a piece of furniture, contorted yourself into a pretzel, and still barely managed to reach the outlet behind it. This product exists because someone had that exact experience and decided enough was enough. The Easy Outlet Extender plugs directly into any wall outlet and telescopes out from 22 to 34 inches, so you can position it exactly where you need it. It rotates a full 180 degrees, giving you 2 AC outlets plus a USB-A and USB-C port right at arm's reach. No unsafe extension cords running across the floor. No crawling behind the bed or the dresser. Just clean, accessible power wherever you actually need it. It even has a built-in phone cradle so your device can charge upright without dangling on the cord. ETL certified, solidly constructed, and compatible with any standard US outlet. It's a $25 solution to a problem that has genuinely annoyed every single person who has ever rented or owned a home. The fact that this didn't exist sooner feels like a missed opportunity that lasted decades. JBL Go4. Alright, number 1. And I know what you're thinking. A $45 speaker is the top pick over everything else on this list. Hear me out. The JBL Go4 shouldn't sound this good. It's small enough to lose in a jacket pocket. It weighs less than a baseball, and yet it produces 4.2 watts of real full output audio with actual bass response across a 90 Hz to 20 kHz frequency range. Those are numbers that most tiny speakers can't touch. What that means in practice is that it actually hits low notes with body and presence, instead of the thin, hollow sound you get from most compact speakers. It's IP67 rated, fully waterproof, dustproof. Drop it in a puddle and keep the music going. Bluetooth 5.3 means the connection is fast, stable, and efficient. Battery life is 9 hours at normal volume, and if you enable Playtime Boost mode, you squeeze even more out of it. Link to Go4S using Auracast for true wireless stereo that genuinely fills a room. What makes it the number 1 pick is the combination of price, performance, portability, and durability. At under $45, there is nothing in its class that comes close. I've taken it camping, to the beach, into the kitchen, into the shower. It handles all of it without complaint and sounds better than speakers twice the price. This is the one you're going to use every single day. So there you have it. 10 gadgets that are genuinely worth your money in 2025. No fluff, no filler, no products I wouldn't use myself. If you're only buying one thing from this list, make it the JBL Go4 or the Kasa Smart Plug. Both are under $50 and both will immediately make your daily life better. All the links and current prices are in the description below. I update them whenever there's a discount, so check back before you buy. If this helped you out, hit that like button. It genuinely helps more people find this video. And if you don't want to miss the next one, subscribe and hit the bell. Because next week, I'm going through 10 smart home gadgets that take your setup to a completely different level. And a couple of them will actually blow your mind. I'll see you in the next one.